Hi guys, this is Senora Ponce. I just wanted to take a minute to make sure that you guys are going to be in the right place on Monday as you're navigating through all your classes. All right, so let's start off first by going to my NISD portal, log in with your username and password, and you're going to see a bunch of tiles on the bottom. All right, I have more because I'm a teacher, but you should see one that says Schoology, which is the S with the blue circle around it. Go ahead and click on that. And then you're gonna see a dashboard. Now, all my classes look the same because I just teach Spanish. Your classes are gonna look completely different because you're taking different course subjects. And then also another hint, when you see the course name at the end, there's this number 25136. That's the period number. All right, so you can actually grab the tile and drag it so you can organize it. I'm not going to move mine because mine are already organized. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to show you second period as an example of what you're going to be doing. So again, remember, first thing, portal, second step, Schoology, third step, click on your first period. I don't have a first period, so I'm just going to show you my example with second period. Okay, so once you're in that class, you're going to see a welcome message. Okay, and this should be for all your classes. And you should see your teacher's information down below, I haven't copied the resources folder. Okay, but this is the most important part, is the welcome message. So notice here, you're gonna see a link. Please join your, whatever period it is for that class, daily at whatever time it starts by clicking here. Notice that here is already linked. So once you click here, it's gonna take you to Zoom. It already has the link embedded on there. Okay, if you haven't downloaded Zoom, make sure that you download and run Zoom before class. Okay, try to make sure you do this as soon as possible. Okay, if you can do that today or tomorrow, that would be great. All right, so once you click on the link and you're in the class and it's the end of class, you're like, okay, well, what do I do now? Where am I going to go? Well, you come back to Schoology, you go back to courses, and then you click on your next class, your third period, fourth period, fifth period, and you're going to click on that class. And again, they should be able to also have that welcome message with the link to go into class. I haven't copied all of my links, but I know this one has it. So you have your welcome message and you just click here and it takes you to that class's Zoom meeting. Okay. All right. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you email me. Parents, you can do the same as well. I'm going to be available all weekend because I'm pretty much going to be working to make sure that I get this done for you guys. All right. So here it is. I'll see you guys later on Monday. Adios.